Hello guys, and welcome to Top Foreign channel. Did you know that it's possible to make money online just by making a few clicks on your computer, tablet, smartphone, or on whatever device you prefer? Yes, it's really possible. With this new strategy I'm about to show you, you have the possibility to change your life from the very first moment you start earning money with it. As with this new method, you are able to earn hundreds and even thousands of dollars online. And if you like, you can even turn it into passive income. Just imagine going to a vacation with your friends or family. Find things you've always dreamed of. If you're truly serious about wanting to make money online, then with this new strategy, you never need to worry about not having any money. And the best part is that this method is available for anyone from anywhere around the world. You don't need to worry about not having any technical knowledge or special skills, as those aren't required at all. You're also not required to make any investments. You don't need to buy anything or pay for any fees, and there aren't any hidden costs. You just need to pay very close attention to every detail in this video and make sure to follow my every step. This way you're guaranteed to be making money with this new strategy. Now just keep on watching this video. But before we start, welcome to Top Foreign, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. You can now go to this website, that is entireweb.com. It is a quite new search engine that finds and returns relevant websites, images, and real-time results. It has over 9 million users from 190 countries. Basically, it's very similar to Google. As they are very new, they offer to pay absolutely anyone who can make people to come to this website by clicking on it. Now on this page, you can see those three stripes. When you click on it, you'll be able to see the menu. Next on, you need to click on affiliates. You could think they can do this. Next page, where you can see how much money you're able to earn for each click. Like they say over here, you will get paid for every click on this website. This means you're able to earn up to 20 cents per visitor, and all people around the world are able to join this program and start earning money within minutes. And it's really easy to get started, as creating an account will only take a few minutes of your time. And when you scroll down on this page, you'll get all your questions answered. As what exactly you need to become an affiliate. You're not required to have your own website, as you will be promoting their free search engine. All you need to do is send a visitor to their site via your affiliate link, and EntireWeb will pay you for every click. It is easiest that over here they say that they will pay you up to 20 cents per click, and to get paid you need to have a PayPal account where they will send your earnings. At the end of each month or the previous month, you need to earn at least $50 to request the payout. That's quite simple. As I mentioned before, EntireWeb is pretty much the same as Google. You can just type in something over here and then simply search it. You can search whatever you want, and it will then give you the most related search results, such as articles, documentations, blogs, forums, and so on. I will just search for make money. It will then give me so many different search results that are quite related to the topic I just searched. Here you can see different articles, blogs, websites, videos, and so many more. And when you use this method, you can become EntireWeb's promoter, or in other words, an affiliate. By doing that, you will help them make more people to trust the EntireWeb, and then of course visit their website, and that way you have the possibility to earn a good amount of money. This means you will be referring people to visit the EntireWeb. Your only job is to introduce people a new search engine that they can visit and also use, and by doing that you'll be able to earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars. That sounds quite amazing, right? If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In order to become an affiliate, you first need to create yourself a free account by clicking this green button that says create an account. You'll be then redirected to the next page, where they are asking you to fill in your personal and additional information, and over here you need to fill in your PayPal details to start receiving our earnings. Also make sure to check this box over here, and finally click the screen button to finish creating your account and then start earning money as an affiliate. In order to start earning money, you also need your own affiliate link that you can find on your account once you have signed in. Besides an affiliate link, you also need a short script in order to start promoting your affiliate link. That's why you need to go to Google Docs. That is 100% free for everyone. Simply click on blank page. After that you can create the script. That doesn't have to be a long at all, but they should make people to click on your affiliate link. If you don't have any idea what to write, website. Then another option is going to Google and simply search for affiliate script. That way you can see what other people have written. You can either use some words or lines from it or copy the entire script. When you have finished creating the script, then you can simply download it by going here and saving it to PDF file to your computer or smartphone. Here is the last website I want to share with you, and that is slideshare.net. This is a very important website, as in here you're going to upload the script you will just created. If you didn't notice yet, that SlideShare is a very popular website that has millions of people going to it every day. That's only a good thing, as if you upload your shorts article with your affiliate link on it, then lots of people will be able to see it and then click on your link, and that way you earn your money. To start uploading your script, you first need to create yourself a free account by clicking on sign up over here. As you can see, you have several options on how to sign up. You can do that with your Google or Facebook account, or if you want, you can also register with your email address. Once you have signed up and logged in, I can show you how exactly you can upload your script. When you have logged in, then just click on this button here that says upload. After that, you will redirected to the next page where you can upload your PDF file. After that, you need to choose a title that will attract people to click on it. Once you have filled in all the needed fields and information, then simply click on publish to upload your article. After that, you just need to wait people to come and click on your article and visit your affiliate link, and that's how easily you earn your money. And that's it. This is Top 4 Earn. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.